I never thought I'd see the day when I would love a tree, just because it happened to belong to me. Trees to me were all the same when I was a child. Wild or tame, I carved my name and I climbed them all in style. Somehow now I got my own house and my one tree needs help, covered with vines to the top and it's strangling itself. I ain't got the time and I'm too stubborn to hire someone. I'll get to it one of these days and I'll get my own work done. Muskrat, oh muskrat, swimming down in the bowl. What do you know of love? What do you know of love? I'd give anything to live as you do. I'd just eat cattails if I could have loved too. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, everybody need a little loving too. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, everybody, who's gonna eat cattails with you? Black bear, living in the wood. I'd live just like you if I only could. I'd eat berries and bark from a tree if I knew someone only would love me. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, everybody need a little loving too. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, who's gonna eat cattails with you? Maggie, Maggie, living so wild. Don't you know that you are nature's child? And it's killing you running around. There's no love to be found in that town. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, everybody need a little loving too. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, who's gonna eat cattails with you? Corn, beets, and potatoes, everybody need a little loving too. Corn, beans, beets, and potatoes, who's gonna eat cattails with you? Sally came to the swimming hole looking for her brother. When she found me instead, well, I did love her. Sally says her mom, have you seen your brother? No, said Sally, mom, well, be home for supper. Down by the river, playing all day long. We had a lovely time, but those days are gone. Down by the river, playing all day long. We had a lovely time, but those days are gone.